I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way.
Hey everybody, it's the Herb Guy with the Elder Herb Shop, and welcome back to Where Science Meets Nature. I have to apologize for not having our anti-wrinkle face cream video done yet, but today is one of the last days that we have that's going to be marginally decent enough for us to be able to put the roof on the rest of our run, which is kind of leaving us a time crunch. So I probably should have been working on that instead of doing that knife, but hey, I had fun. So, be patient with us. I do have that mostly wrapped up. I have a few more things to go over, why I'm using certain of the ingredients and whatnot. And we're going to let the Krakens out here, as you can see. Watch the flood. Here they come. And here comes Hannah. Hi, Hannah. She's a funny bird. And there they go. Like a bunch of emus. Anyway, yeah, we are getting on it, and I do apologize for the delay. It hasn't been because I haven't wanted to do the video. It's going to be a very long and labor-intensive video. There's a lot of stuff to it. We're going to talk about from harvesting the herbs to processing them slightly, and then how to go ahead and cook everything up and get it all mixed together. So please be patient. We have not forgotten, and I am not neglecting my duties, but our chickens need to have a roof. Thanks for watching.